Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important question, that is from electromagnetic theory. This question also belongs to the boundary value problem only. How we have to solve the boundary value problem? In last class, maybe yesterday's class, we are discussing the boundary value problem under the cylindrical coordinate system according to the one dimensional VT. In this class, we are going to discuss about a boundary value problem in two dimensional spherical polar coordinate system. So, when this question came, once you have to see, in CSIR December 2013, this question was asked. This question was asked in CSIR December 2013. CSIR December 2013, this question was asked. Once you have to see the question, if the electrostatic potential, they are giving that potential V of r comma theta comma phi, the electrostatic potential in a charge free region has the form of, so V of r comma theta comma phi is equal to f of r comma cos theta. F of r comma cos theta, they are giving this one. So, then the functional form f of r, the functional form f of r is equal to how much they are asking. So, how we have to calculate, where a, b's are constants they are giving. So, this is the electrostatic potential in A. So, which one it is? According to these coordinates, so these coordinates are spherical polar coordinates. Which coordinates these are? Spherical polar coordinates. These coordinates are spherical polar coordinates. So, these coordinates belongs to which coordinates? You have to take it as a, these coordinates are spherical polar coordinates. Spherical polar coordinates. So, these coordinates are spherical polar coordinates. How we have to solve these spherical polar coordinates? Once you have to see, first you know that which expression you have to know. So, your V of r comma theta comma phi is equal to f of r into cos theta. F of r into cos theta. You know the Laplace equation. What is your Laplace equation? Del square V is equal to 0. What is the Laplace operator in terms of a spherical polar coordinate system? 1 by r square into dou by dou r of r square into dou v by dou r, r square into dou v by dou r, plus 1 by r square into sin theta. So, dou by dou theta of sin theta into dou v by dou theta, sin theta into dou v by dou theta, plus 1 by r square sin square theta into dou square v by dou phi square, which is equal to 0. This is the Laplace equation. But you know this, it is the function of only r and theta. It is the function of only r and theta. So, that is why the term we are neglecting, because it is the independent of phi, neglected. So, V is independent of phi. V is independent of phi. That is why we are neglecting. So, therefore, you have to substitute here 1 by r square into dou by dou r of r square into dou v by dou r. So, dou v by dou r means, so f of r into cos theta, f of r into cos theta, plus 1 by r square sin theta into dou v by dou theta, dou by dou theta of f of r into cos theta we have to write. It is f of r into cos theta. So, that term we are neglecting, which is equal to 0 we have to write. Now, you able to take here. So, variable is r, that is why cos theta you have to bring outside. Cos theta is divided by r square is equal to, so dou by dou r of r square into dou f of r is divided by dou r square into dou f of r is divided by dou r plus 1 by r square sin theta into sin theta. We have to take f of r, you have to take the common here. So dou by dou theta of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta is equal to 0. Now you able to do that. So what we have to do? So cos theta is divided by r square, whatever the thing as it is I am writing, dou by dou r of r square into dou f of r is divided by dou r. So minus f of r is divided by, so which one we have to take? F of r is divided by r square into sin theta, r square into sin theta, dou by dou theta of sin theta sin square theta which is equal to 0. So therefore you have to take here cos theta by r square into, so uv differentiation you have to take r square into dou square f of r by dou r square, so plus 2r into dou f of r by dou r, so 2r into dou f of r by dou r minus f of r is divided by r square sin theta into 2 sin theta cos square theta differentiation is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, sin theta get cancelled. In the two terms you have to take cos theta by r square is common, r square into dou square f of r by dou r square plus 2r into dou f of r is divided by dou r minus so 2 into f of r minus 2 into f of r which is equal to 0, because cos theta by r square I have to take outside. Now you are able to see r square into dou f of r by dou r square plus 2r into dou f r by dou r minus 2 into fr is equal to 0. So this expression we got. So now you check it. So in this expression which answer is suitable? Once you have to see here in the answers you have to take a r square plus b r, a r square, a r plus b r square you have to take. So suppose you have to take the option, which option you have to take? Option B you have to take. From answers I am coming. From answers you able to check it. So what is your answer? A r plus b r square you have to take, which is equal to f is equal to a r plus b by r square you have to take. So now you simplify here, the left hand side you have to substitute r square into dou square f by dou r square plus 2r into dou f by dou r minus 2fr is equal to, so what you will get it, left hand side is equal to right hand side of the above expression, that is the expression number 1 you are able to get. Therefore, so option B is what is your answer? Your answer B is your answer. So that is AR plus BR square is your answer. Like this you have to do in your competitive examination. Clear? So this is the method boundary value problems according to your syllabus I told you. So one more question is there under the boundary value problem, that is the method of image problem. Maybe tomorrow's class I have to discuss that one, that is the method of image problem. If you really likes my teaching, we started the CSR and GATE physics online coaching and DL physics content and JL physics content we started. So this is my number 9908437460 my number. First you have to download my app, that is Quantum Online Academy app you have to download. Once you download the app, after downloading the app you go for the stores. In that stores you able to see the courses, CSR and GATE physics course is there, and JL physics and DL physics course is there, and mathematics individual papers also available, that is mathematical methods of physics, mathematical methods of physics. This whole portion is completed. That classical mechanics also whole portion is completed. Now we started the electromagnetic theory. Under the electromagnetic theory we are under electrostatics. Electrostatics also almost 90% of the syllabus is completed. Maybe couple of days this electrostatics also we will finish. So every day there is a live class is there. After taking the live, it is going to become a recorded also. If you want to consider only the electromagnetic theory, so you have to take this paper electromagnetic theory every day 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. every day in between 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. there is a class is there. That class is electromagnetic theory class all these days. So that's why in the YouTube also I am one question according to the CSIR topic, one question I am discussing, I am uploading in our YouTube channel. So any person will take the benefit, otherwise they will estimate about my teaching style, and if they think my teaching style, you have to take the course that is most eligible course, most useful course to you. It will be helps to enhance your physics knowledge or to crack the competitive examinations. Clear? Thank you so much.